Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called using the subconscious mind in business. So this was the topic which I covered on the last video, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called boy of 16 turns failure into success. This topic, friends. Okay. So friend, this is 126 number video and the name of the topic is boy of 16 years turn failure into success. So let us see friend what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? A young boy who was attending high school said to me, so your author Joseph Murphy is telling there was a young boy who was attending the high school who said to him that, let us see what he said. I am getting very poor grades. So he said that I am getting very poor grades. My memory is falling. So he also said that my memory is falling. I do not know what is the matter. So he said, I don't know what is the matter, what is under, why it is happening. My memory is falling. I am getting poor grades. I discovered that the only thing wrong with the boy was his attitude. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that he discovered the only one thing which was wrong in that boy was his attitude, which was on of indifference. So, he have the attitude of indifference, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Salan Salandam tha a and restaurant and resentment. So this was the attitude of him with full of resentment, friends. Okay. Sa own gyan. So this was also his attitude, friends. Okay. Towards someone who teaches and follow students. So he's a someone who teaches student and follow the student, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. I taught him how to use his subconscious mind. So he author Joseph Murphy is telling that he completely taught him how to use his subconscious mind, friends. Okay, and how to succeed in his studies. So he also taught him that how to succeed in studies and how to use his subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He began to affirm certain truths several times a day, particularly at night prior to sleep. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling that he began to affirm a certain truth several times a day and also particularly at night prior to his sleep. Prior to sleep, he used to affirm this thing. So, let us see what he used to affirm. And also in the morning after waking. So, after in morning after waking, also he would affirm this all kind of truth, friends. Okay. So, this also Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. These are the best time to impregnate La Na Nuan, Tham Nuan, La I am Tham Nuhan. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that he used to tell that this is the best time to impregnate I am Tham Nuhan, the subconscious mind. So, he is talking about the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He affirmed as follows. So, this was the affirmation which was given by him. So, let us see what was the affirmation, friends. Okay. I realized that my subconscious mind is a storehouse of memory. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that that boy used to say this affirmation that he used to say, I realized that my subconscious mind is a storehouse of a memory, friends. Okay, it retains Gia Lai. So, he was saying that it retains Gia Lai, everything. That means it's everything. Everything I read, hear, and from my teacher, I have a perfect memory. So, he used to tell everything I read, hear from the teacher, I have a perfect memory. Okay, and the infinite. So you also used to say and the infinite. Wo tan wo han. Intelligence in my subconscious mind constantly reveals to me everything. So he was telling that The infinite intelligence is in my subconscious mind reveals to me everything I need to know at my examination. So you used to also say that I need to know at my examination whether written or oral. So whether it is written or whether it is oral, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I radiate love and good will to all my teachers and fellow students. So he used to say that I radiate love and goodwill to all my teacher and also fellow student friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I sincerely wish for them success and all good things. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling I sincerely bless them for success and all the good thing. I sincerely wish them for success and the good thing, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So it was a affirmation about that child used to give, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This young man is now enjoying a greater freedom than he has ever known. So this young man is completely enjoying a greater freedom apart from further in his life where he ever known, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He is now receiving all A's. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that that person is now receiving all the A's. He constantly imagined the teachers and his mother congratulating him on his success in his study. So now he constantly imagined that the teachers and his mother always congratulate him for his studies and success, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called boy of 16 years turn failure into success. This topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called how to become successful in buying and selling. This topic, friends. Okay, how to become successful in buying and selling. So, friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.